Guys, I'm just gonna be straight up with you. Today's just a good day. And there isn't even really a reason for it to be a good day. I don't know how to explain this. Lately, I've just been feeling so much better about doing YouTube and like, I don't know, I'm just falling back in love with YouTube, I guess. And sometimes I think maybe it's because that like summer's coming back, like it's spring, it's a beautiful day. I went on this long ass walk with Charlie this morning. It could just be that, I don't know. I've just been feeling super positive lately. And basically, I've been cleaning up my house and I was going through my closet. I'm cleaning up my closet. Came across this. When I first moved here, I remember like wanting to sort of see if I could make my own merch, just as like a video topic. I remember buying these Tulip Color Shots, instant fabric color. If you guys want to make your own t-shirts, you don't have to do like the iron-ons. You could also do sort of this like spray paint style. Not only did I buy that, but I've had this bag of t-shirts just chilling in my closet. Now, back in the day, what the concept was, I was going to design just a bunch of different t-shirts using these spray paint things. Okay, there's some missing, so I've got 3 now. Not the best colors, but I was going to design these and then send them out to some of you guys as like prizes. However, I've got too many contests on the go right now. So we got a medium pink shirt right here. We have a medium navy blue sort of grayish shirt. And then we got a large purple one. Okay, let's get into it. Let's try this out. Okay, so here it is. These are the Tulip Color Shot Instant Fabric Color. This pack comes in white, black, and silver shimmer. Add a shot of color to your fabrics. Essentially what it is just like spray paint ink for a t-shirt. I've literally had this in my closet for over a year. So we're gonna start with this purple shirt. We're gonna try out white first, just to see how this goes. We're gonna write Swiss. Shake can well for at least 1 minute. Apply 1 light coat at a time, waiting 5 minutes between coats. Add additional coats for desired coverage. All right, here we go. Oh my God, it's... Yo, this is huge. Yo, open up a window, Charlie. Okay, guys, there is definitely twice the amount of fumes this than there is spray paint. Please make sure you ventilate the area. It comes out really good. You know what? The fumes are so heavy on this. Like, I'm telling you, it's twice as strong as spray paint. We're gonna go ahead and move this process outside. Oh, shoot, man. This stuff is so strong that it goes through the back. Okay, so this has had more than 5 minutes to dry. It kind of goes clear after with the initial spray. This really stinks worse than spray paint. So far, I'm not impressed. Look at how nice it looks now. It's gonna dry and just fade. Okay, update. So you can see how clear it's gotten now. This product sucks. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. Not only does it smell extremely awful, it's like clear. You flip it onto the back and it's like seeped through the back as well. We're gonna try black next. That's the extent of that shirt. Thumbs down for this product. Let's go ahead and try the pink one with black ink. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna do a Danocracy Diamond. So we're gonna go ahead and try black. I feel like because we're using darker paint, this should come out better. I can't get over the smell, guys. This is like ridiculous. Usually like spray paint smell like dissipates after a while. This is just like hanging right here. It's so strong. Oh my God. See how this dries already? It's looking way better. Okay, so I'm gonna be straight up with you guys right now. I usually do spray painting in like a well-ventilated area, whether that's outside or like inside my house with ventilation of some sort. This stuff, man, I've gotten lightheaded from spray paint before just because of improper ventilation, but like this stuff, oh my God, it's such a headache now, and like I can't get the smell out of my place. It doesn't seem to dissolve like spray paint does. Like you can use spray paint and then eventually it dissolves and you don't smell anymore, but God, man, like this stuff just hangs around. It doesn't seem to go anywhere. Even outside of my balcony, it's like, it's still just chilling there. And it's like there's wind passing by, but I don't know, man. I will say the white one sucked ass. I would not recommend that at all. The black one seems to work after one go. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and continue later just so I can kind of feel a little bit better. I'm getting a headache and super lightheaded and I don't really want to push it. So guys, if you're gonna try this, just know it's an indoor craft. Sorry. Those are the fumes talking. It is 1000% an outdoor craft. Do not do this inside. Even if you think it's well ventilated, do not do this inside. In all fairness, I do believe this stuff is meant to be used with a stencil, which I don't have. I'm just freehanding it. But yeah, man, we need to go outside, Char. Okay, so I'm back inside. I just went out for like an hour-long walk. Oh, wow, it's super bright. I'm gonna have to go ahead and just stop doing it all. I decided that it's probably not best that I continue just because it's super lightheaded. The fumes in here are incredibly strong. Let me give you my review. Okay, so after trying the white and black color shot by Tulip, I've learned that the fumes on this thing are incredibly strong, like too strong, man. Like, I won't be buying this again. I just wanted to use it, guys, because it was in my closet. Instead of just throwing out brand new product, I figured I'd try it out. I did make 2 shirts. Okay, now these shirts have had 2 full days to dry. The white one is still terrible. Like, the weird thing is it's dried like hard. But this is more of like a fog than it is a white. Charlie, really, man? Come on, I'm trying to film. You gotta get out of the way. I gotta film. Can you please get off the shirts? Hey, can you please get off the shirts, man? The black one, however, this legit feels like ink on a shirt. And this is only 1 layer of the black. For some reason, it's a lot darker here. It feels good. The newspaper trick seemed to work. It didn't seep through at all. Black definitely turned out great. And I believe this is how the product's supposed to work. Feels like legit ink. You know it's not gonna go anywhere. It's permanent. It's staying on there. The white one, however, I don't know what happened with this one. So this is a little bit of a weird review. The black one, I'd say worked amazing and I would recommend it. Just make sure you're ventilating the area. The white one is like a complete fail. Like a complete flop. Do not buy the white one. So it's kind of like a split review here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.